I've been listening to a lot of commentary and reading a lot of articles recently about what is actually happening with AI currently and how it's going to impact our human intelligence. This is of huge interest to me because my Amplifying Human Intelligence platform is designed to support you as humans to be able to continue to grow your human intelligence as AI starts to take over our lives. And without over dramatising and catastrophizing, I just want to share a few thoughts with you about what is actually happening currently and what's potentially happening in the near future for us as humans. It's fair to say that our future is extremely uncertain because as AI and AGI, which is artificial general intelligence, starts to take over many job or employment positions, what this is forcing us to do as humans is to tap into our human intelligence and to understand the power of our brain and our minds to be able to create. We need to shift our mindsets to go from employees to business owners and entrepreneurs. And that might seem a little out of reach for a lot of people, but the fact is that most of the people who are going to do well with AI and AGI are the business owners because they won't need employees. They will be the owners of the business and they will use robots and AI and AGI to do most of the work for them. And it might sound like a movie or something that's futuristic, but the fact is that it is actually happening right now. And so the way to do something about this is to start to shift your mindset and your identity to uncovering what it is that you actually want to do in your future and exploring the opportunities that are available to be able to create a business or venture that is going to satisfy your values and to meet your values, and that is going to be something that you are passionate about and that you can make work in the future, because the roles that we have now, many of the roles, not all, many of the roles that we have now are going to be overtaken by these machines and by tech. I don't mean it to be a scary proposition. I mean for you to see it as an opportunity. It's an opportunity to explore another side of yourself, and that is how to tap into your intuition and how to tap into your creative side, because everybody has it. We're just not necessarily taught how to do it. And I can help you to explore this further through my Amplifying Human Intelligence learning platform. So if you want to learn more about your human intelligence profile, I'd like you to click on the link and answer a few simple questions, and that will give you an answer as to what your human intelligence profile is. And once you have your profile, it gives you a pathway to take and what to do next. I've created this especially for people who are really concerned about their future. And for those who've always had an inkling that there is something else that they want to do in their lives that is creative, but you've been too afraid to explore it. So explore your human intelligence profile, and I'll see you on the other side. And I can't wait to meet you to help you amplify your human intelligence.